to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu. Then now what you have to do is to search for the app. So when you find it, just use your finger to tap on it for some while, then tap on app info. Now what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache. So tap on the clear cache when it opens. So tap on it. Now go back. Then you tap on notifications. Make sure this notifications is turned on. After that, go back, tap on permission, and make sure the location permission is allowed. Now go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you are also going to see mobile data and restriction on other devices. So make sure the background data is toggled on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So go to your phone menu and try to search or find Google Play Store. So when you get it, just tap on it to open it. When it opens, try to search for 9news. So now tap on 9news and make sure you have the latest update of this software. So after updating it, what you have to do lastly is to tap on the power button for some while. Now tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. See you in the next one. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video.